Flowers whisper beauty to the world in so many ways. It's hard to think of a room, field, or garden that doesn't look better with flowers. And in Minnesota, we enjoy a virtual rainbow of flowers that bloom across our state. We have marigolds, sunflowers, dahlias, coneflowers, gomphrena, zinnias, and verbena. Really, nothing brightens up your home more than a cleverly arranged bouquet of flowers. And that's why today we're visiting Rustic Design's flower farm near Belgrade. Started in 2011, Rustic Designs not only offers a lovely selection of flowers for your home and weddings, but they let you come out here, pick your own flowers, and teach you how to place them together for a perfect arrangement. Today I'm with Mary Solbrekken, who takes care of the many flowers here at the farm.
My tips for designing a perfect bouquet including cutting a very long stem length for your flowers, cutting linear flowers as well as focal flowers. Make sure you don't forget about your greenery and your filler as well. My favorite Minnesota grown flowers are basically everything that I grow here. That includes sunflowers, dahlias, snapdragons, lizzianthus, and the list just keeps going on and on. If you're nervous about arranging your own flowers, I say don't worry, relax, have fun with it. There's many rules for design out there, but with that I always say rules are meant to be broken. It's whatever is appealing to you doesn't have to be appealing to everyone else.
While it's lovely here, you don't have to drive across the state to see these beautiful flowers. Go to minnesotagrown.com to find a local cut flower grower near you.